Okay, what's good people, what's good? It's your boy LUMIDAYY, welcome back to another video. I've got another men's fashion drop for you. And today I've got something that's clean, minimal and functional. And yeah, that's this backpack here. And this is called the Splash Utility Backpack. And this is from Gaston Luga, a brand from Stockholm in Sweden. This is the 16-inch backpack. So Gaston Luga is a Scandinavian brand, well known for their sleek, minimalist backpacks. And yeah, I have one here which literally represents the brand to a T. And as it's a utility bag, it will have different functions, which I'm going to show you in a bit. But more on to the brand of Gaston Luga. If you look on their different types of bags, most of them are a similar type of sleek, clean look. And that's really nice, because as you know, I always like to get really nice, simple, clean fits. And a bag like this is just going to suit what I wear, which I'll be able to wear in different occasions. So yeah, as I was saying, let's get into this bag. As you can see here, it's a nice matte black finish, which just suits that nice clean look that I normally go. And yeah, it just fits the way I style things. I can mix this with streetwear and I can mix it with casual as well, even smart casual. And yeah, this bag just looks premium. Also, this was made out of eco-friendly polyester, and then also it has a waterproof rating of 8,000. If you search that, that basically means the waterproof for this is very heavy and durable. So a lot of water, if it's raining when you're outside and you're traveling and you think, oh, your stuff inside is going to get damaged, you don't really have to worry about that. So the protection for this is really good. That's therefore another reason why I got this, because my other backpack, whenever I was outside, I knew if it was about to rain, I knew where inside my bag was finished. Like paper was finished. I would always have to get like a waterproof case or something for my laptop just to put that inside. So whenever it was raining, I would be rushing to get inside somewhere quickly. But now with this, let's say if I'm on a bike traveling anywhere, then this will be suitable as well. But now this will just be perfect. I can just put this on and I wouldn't have to worry about what's inside. So yeah, man, this is a very nice premium look. So I'm very happy with this. So yeah, let's go more into the details of this. So with the sizing, this is the 16-inch bag. So I think this might be the biggest size they have for the backpacks, which is very nice. And yeah, normally when you have a backpack, you don't really want to have a really big rucksack unless you're going for like outdoor camping. Those ones are normally around, I think, 18 to 21 or 22 inch. So you don't need something that big. This is like the perfect size. So it's not too big and it's not too small. And as this is a bag where you can use for traveling, it has enough space to put in as much as you can possibly try to put in. Let's say you want to put your bag underneath the seat. So yeah, this is perfect for that. And yeah, as it's a utility bag, it has a lot of compartments. And one of the ones that I've seen, which I really love, is the one on the back. They have a back fastening where you could put your laptop in there as well. And that's what I really like about this one as well. Just very nice and clean with the details. If you can see, it has a little bit of like mesh. Yeah, that is mesh, right? Yeah, so it has a little bit of the mesh on the back that makes it comfortable. It's a nice cushion part, and that's basically for support for the back. So yeah, and as you can see on the side, it has the little flag of Sweden, very nice touch. And you know with Sweden, all their stuff is just nice and clean, just the way they operate. If you go on their website, most of their items represents how Sweden's fashion and just how the culture is. And then other compartments will be on the sides. It has two pocket compartments, and that basically is the utility look. And it's fastened just easy with a clip. You just want to clip it like that. It's very simple. You can even adjust how tight you want it to be. And then inside, it's enough space if you want to put something inside there. Maybe you have a little drink, or if you just want to put anything small that maybe you want to access quickly, but you know that it's still going to be very safe and secure. So yeah, I really like these two parts. On the side has that nice look, and then also it includes luggage straps, so you can attach it to your suitcase or whatever luggage you have. That's a very good touch for this bag. That's very helpful when you're traveling. So that's why Gaston Luga really thought about everything that this bag will need, and that's really what utility means. As I said, utility is basically functional for different things, and it has different functions, as I said, all over this bag, which is the perfect bag. But yeah, now to talk about this bag in a fashion sense, as I kind of have, but just the way I'll style it as well. If I'm wearing this to work, I'll probably wear something like this to work, and that's a nice casual jumper. I feel like this would look very nice. Let me show you how that looks. So yeah, I would wear this to work, obviously with smart fits, as I've just shown you with this jumper. Probably make my whole fit look a bit more smart as well. And then if I wanted to wear this let's say if I'm out and I'm wearing like a rain jacket, this bag will suit that as well. So that's the best thing I kind of like about utility bags, or just utility in general, because utility can either look smart or casual. And then I'll just wear this on a normal day, wear this with like a tracksuit. So yeah, if you're looking to get a type of bag like this, if you go on their website, they have duffel bags as well. They got all these different types of bags, which is nice. They got this in other colors as well, if you're not just looking to get black. And with that, I have a 15% discount code for you guys, and that's LUMI15 2025, and yeah, that will get you 15% off. And while you're at it, if you want to go on their website right now, they're doing like a bundle deal. If you go on and you check on selected items, they have a bundle deal of you get 10% off automatically if you add 2 items to your basket. And then you can also add on my 15% discount on top of that, which you get extra 15% on top, which is lovely, man. It's a great deal. So I'd say quickly check that now before that deal goes, before they get rid of the bundle deal. But then if you just want to get one bag, my code is right there for you guys, and I'll link that in the description so you can quickly access that. If you want to go check them out, check their site, and then I'll even link their Instagram down for you to see more about their brand. So yeah, if you guys have liked this video, click the subscribe button, click the like button as well, and follow me for more content coming soon. You guys have liked everything as well, man, so appreciate everyone watching. So yeah, man, thank you guys. Thank you Gaston Luga as well. See you guys in the next one, man. Peace.